Today I am going to do an unboxing of Il Makiage. It is a brand from New York and I just wanted to see the packaging. I bought this because it showed up on my YouTube feed and I decided, okay, I bought it with my own money so I can say exactly what it is that I think about it. I love their logo. It's very simple right there. It's gorgeous. So as you open it, it has fun little bubblies. And one of the products that I bought actually two, and then I got some samples. So I don't know which, but we'll play with these later today. This one is an ink liner, and this one is multi-use perfecting concealer. But there's an expletive in there, so it's, I guess, part of the brand. They try to make things look funky. And then another thing that I bought was the foundation. Woke Up Like This foundation. They call it Flawless Base Foundation. And has a neat little packaging. Very geometric. It's fun. A little twist, and when you open it, has a little message for you. Sorry, I don't, what does it say? I don't speak low maintenance. Well, that's not me right there. I'm the opposite. But even though the message might be wrong, I still have good hopes for this foundation. When you open it, it says how it works. Just very creative and thoughtful. They did put a receipt down there. And then also, with their beautiful logo, they have something really cool. It's kind of like giving you 6 points on how to try on makeup. They say over 75% of women get foundation wrong. And they're saying that 2 pumps will be applied to the entire face, jaw, and neckline. So that's enough for that. So obviously some people use a ton more than that. Blend out with a brush or sponge, which I bought a brush. I don't have it here, but I will be using the brush later on when we put the makeup on. Wait 5 minutes for the foundation to set before checking the shade. That's a good one. I never heard of that before. So we'll see how that pans out. Do not match to your neck or wrist. They're a different tone than your face, and that is so true. My neck is definitely darker and browner than my face. I actually was born with part of my mom's placenta dried up onto my neck, so I do have a splotchy neck. So in my case, for sure, and my face is so much whiter right here. So I am not wearing any makeup foundation right now. I do have a little bit of color on my cheeks. If you haven't seen my video on my daily look that I do just to hang around the house, I will put a link right there. After you put the makeup on, finish the face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. We'll see. And then wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. Definitely gonna try that. I enjoyed the packaging. That was super fun. I can't wait to feel the formula and to see how the color matches. I actually went online and picked the color just based on their descriptions and their questionnaire. Everybody says it's very easy, so we'll see. Since then, I learned that I'm a neutral. So I don't know if I picked a neutral concealer. The color I got was 60. Don't know how often they do that. And really cool. It says that it's made in Italy, so I'm pretty impressed. Got something from Italy and I didn't even know. All right, we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so I've done my morning routine and I will post a link here on what that process is. Moisturized and vitamin C and sunscreen. Let it soak in probably for 15 minutes or so. So the instructions say apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. I probably won't go very far down here. Don't want to get my clothes dirty. It's a beautiful product. 1, 2. I don't know about the color yet. I just got this little applying brush from Sephora. It's so pretty. The lady at the store said that what I need to do is only apply the foundation to the edges of the brush. I don't know. I kind of like it. It's supposed to be medium coverage. Feels cool. I'll try to do it halfway and let it sit for 5 minutes and see how the shade goes. Get closer. I like it. I did not expect to like it. But it feels light on the skin, because that's the thing about the foundation. I don't like that feeling of heaviness that foundation leaves in your skin. Okay, look at that. Put some color. It covered a little bit of my spots, and I heard that you can build up on it. Well, they said 2 pumps and it will cover your entire face and jawline. Obviously, I have a big face because I already used it all. So you can see now how natural it looks. I hope you can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other side, and we'll get back to you after 5 minutes. I am very happy with the color. I think the match for something that I did online, absolutely having no idea how to pick a color online, I think it turned out beautiful. I think I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go try the concealer because that's what they said. After you blend and wait 5 minutes, you should finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. Okay, so they like to use bad words, but that's okay. The concealer is really cute, and I kind of like it that even though it's in a silver bottle, it has that, so you see how much you still have left. Also, the color is nice and bright, so it's more like a brightener. I'm not gonna use the same tricks that I used on my regular makeup. I just wanna see how plain old concealing, and let me try my spots right here, see if it will do anything. I think with this color, it might lighten that spot more than I want it to. What I might have to do instead is just, yeah, see there's like that little white spot. I don't need that. I think I'll just double up and build up with another layer of foundation. So I like lighter concealers for under my eyes because they're brightening. The makeup itself is a little matte, which is fine because I will probably use some highlighters and some brightening things, make it a little silkier. Again, it's not as matte as some makeup that I've used before. I would call it a medium matte, but it's not glowy and glossy. So since they sent it, I will do my makeup on another video, and you should come back for that. And I'm gonna use their little liner. Looks like the little point is nice and sharp, so I'm looking forward to trying that for my eyeliner. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think. For every day, it was easy to apply, light, the color. I can't say anything bad about the color. I'm not somebody that uses a full face of makeup all the time, but when I do, I think I would use it. Put a little bit of nice shimmery, glossy things on my cheeks so that it's a little bit glowier. It's usable. Maybe if they come up with a formula that's a little bit more moisturizing for older people like me. I shouldn't say older. I would say more mature skin. I probably would like it. I have been wearing it for a while. Does it crease? Let me take a look. It doesn't seem to crease and stick to my little creases right here, because that's one of the reasons some of us don't wear makeup. Although the concealer does not feel moisturizing enough, I would probably double up on the moisturizing under my eyes before using this. I'm gonna put some more and play with it a little bit more. Is it worth the price? I don't know. I will use it. I wish the concealer was a little creamier, not so heavy. Feels very heavy, which might make it crease, but I do like that it brightens up the face. And as far as coverage, and I'm okay with the medium coverage and the color. I will put the price of the foundation and the concealer here so that you know how much and how it compares to the brands that you might be using. Next makeup video, I'm gonna do a full face. I'm gonna go ahead and film it right now since I'm here, and I will just move on from this spot forward. All right, see you later.